Hello and welcome to SatTV Week, the news programme for the global satellite industry. I'm Nadia Yegorova-Johnstone. At this year's International Aeronautical Conference in Beijing, from the 23rd to the 27th of September, SSTL will be launching its new SSTL X50 series platforms, of which there are 4 variants. They are smaller, lighter and cheaper. Details will be in a paper, Lowering the Cost of Space Access, a new generation of low-cost SSTL platforms, which the company will be presenting on the 26th of September. Technical details of the new platforms will be available at the conference. Following the successful launch of O3B's first 4 satellites, O3B Networks has announced a major long-term capacity deal to provide high-speed, low-latency capacity to the Palau National Communications Corporation and the Federated States of Micronesia Telecommunications Corporation. The deal adds to O3B's growing presence in the Pacific region. By delivering highly affordable and ubiquitous bandwidth with the performance and speed of fibre, the region will enjoy much improved connectivity, benefiting both private and corporate customers in Palau and Yap. NSR's Global Assessment of Satellite Supply and Demand, the 10th edition report, projects commercial satellite operator revenues from transponder and bandwidth leasing will top $18.8 billion in the coming 10 years, up from $11.2 billion in 2012. This strong growth comes from a mix of C, Ku and wide-beam Ka band transponder leasing gains in such diverse markets as DTH, video distribution and VSAT networking, generating some $4.5 billion in new revenues by 2022. A rapid emergence in HTS and MEO HTS provision services like broadband access, backhaul and mobility should also add another $3.1 billion in wholesale capacity revenues. Now here's Trisha with news of the successful launch of Amos 4.
Amos 4, built by Israel Aerospace Industries for Spacecom, has been successfully launched from Baikonur, Kazakhstan, aboard a Zenit 3SLB launcher. The complete launch process was several hours until the satellite reached its initial trajectory and separated from the launcher's final stage. During the coming 3 weeks, Amos 4 will continue its transfer orbit until arriving at 67.25 degrees east, where in-orbit tests will be conducted before continuing to its designated permanent service location at 65 degrees east. In the course of the Amos 4 satellite programme, an advanced ground control segment was introduced. It features an automatic satellite control and online payload control centre. The SCC enables a virtual payload concept where the spaceborne communications payload can be divided among users, where each gets its independent allocation of antennas and repeater resources. Each user gets its own online PCC that allows control and monitoring of its allocated resources and management of its quality of service. The virtual payload allows Spacecom to maximise the use of the highly flexible payload and provide its users with better resource control.
And finally, Meersat Satellite Systems has announced the promotion of Vishal Mathur from Director South Asia to Senior Director Sales and Marketing. In his new role, Vishal will be responsible for building the Meersat customer base, with a focus in the broadcasting and DTH customer segments. Vishal joined Meersat in 2006. During his 7 years with Meersat, Vishal has been instrumental in expanding the company's position across South Asia. Prior to joining Meersat, Vishal also has served as Assistant Vice President at Zee Telefilms International Division, ESPN Star Sports and 10 Sports channels, handling the affiliate sales business in India. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.